This is Josh Y2K2000, and today I have 3 videos to react of William. So my 3 reaction is Kid throws vacuum cleaner off the roof, that's 1. Number 2, William freaks out and loses it because he has to go to timeout. And number 3, Kid throws bone in the pool after pranks backfires. Okay, well, the third one is kinda interesting, but let's react the first of the vacuum. So let's get this video in 3, 2, 1, start.
This house is so freaking messy. There's always work to do around here.
Yeah, I can see all those dust on those.
Been doing
Oh
dishes
my
and
god,
laundry,
those carpets.
and there's still more work to do.
And there's William
Maybe
screaming
there's some
again.
people around here that should help instead of playing video games.
No video games.
William! William! I have been waiting.
Jesus.
I have been waiting all day. Hey! I have been
Do
waiting
your
all
chores
day for you to
already.
help me
Come
with the
on.
housework around here. No, well, it's
No,
getting
you're not
dark
doing.
out.
You're doing it now.
You're gonna vacuum. And I'm putting, you know what? I got the vacuum cleaner right here.
You have to do your chores. No, you have to do it now. Like
There
right
you
now.
go. I'll be downstairs.
You have to do your work. Let's come on. I have to do it
What
also.
is going on up
What
there?
the heck
I
is
just
this?
asked him to simply vacuum.
What was
It
that?
sounds like it's going outside. Let me go
What?
check.
Can't be outside. Come on, Mom. I meant Violet.
What's going on?
Exactly.
What are you doing out there?
Why is it outside?
You
What?
want me to vacuum? I'll show
What?
you vacuuming.
Hold on. What is he doing now?
What are you doing?
That is not how you. What? William.
You just threw the vacuum on the ground.
What the frick?
I told you later, Mom.
This
is
kid
ridiculous.
is just ridiculous. Exactly.
Because it says
That's different.
homework.
Well, I kind of heard
Don't
that.
break that camera.
I heard that. What? William loses it over timeout. Once upon a time, 3 years ago, poor William had to take a timeout. Well, that's a good punishment then.
I swear you are laughing.
Huh, this kid is a brat. Jesus. What the? Oh my god. The. Oh my god. Oh my god.
So,
The frick?
I got a phone from my friend. Her daughter has a phone
What?
that's just like William's phone, and it broke.
I think he's trying to prank him. That's the third video of what I was talking about.
I play a prank on him. So,
This should be good.
I'm going to call him into the kitchen to talk to me. And
Alright.
I'm going to make him think that I broke his phone. I took his phone
That's kind of a good one.
and hid it. So that
Where'd you hit it
I
then?
think that this is his phone. So I'm going to call him in right now.
Alright then.
William, come here. William, sir, I need
What
to
is-
talk to you.
What is Will doing now? Come on.
Can you?
I'm sorry for leaving you earlier.
Well, can you sit down?
What?
Sit down.
What are you sorry for? Wait, what?
What?
I'm really sorry for leaving you.
Yeah, you.
Okay,
We
well,
were working and
just
doing
let
our job,
let her
our
talk for
project.
her first, okay?
And we were almost done. If you just want to
Okay,
stay
just
around.
let her talk. I know
You
you're
got
sorry, just let her
frustrated,
talk. Yeah, you're always
when
frustrated.
You were down there, you left your phone.
Yeah.
Oh, hold on a second. I just need to talk to you for a minute.
Just let her
Sit
talk.
down.
Come
Wait, I just need
on.
a minute. Okay.
Dude, just let her
Give me
talk.
1 second.
Yep.
When you left, I did some more of the project on my own.
Okay.
And I was
Okay.
hammering in that narrow
A
little
project?
space. I accidentally hammered your phone.
Are you kidding me?
Oh,
Why did you hammer my freaking phone? Give me that receipt.
you just got pranked.
Oh my gosh, what the heck did you do?
Chill,
That's
William.
my phone. Where are you
Wait, what?
going?
Wait, what?
Where
Her
are you
phone?
going?
Oh my.
Oh my gosh! You
Will!
threw my phone in the water.
That was a prank.
William, it was a joke.
Yeah.
It was a joke. It was a joke.
William! What the frick?
It was a joke.
What the frick? William, this kid is ridiculous. Hutch. Jesus. Well, that was pretty unexpected. Yeah, I say that again. And William, why do you always scream when you play video games? Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I hope you like it, subscribe to me, and peace off.